Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the place where we keep tech reviews real and simple. Today, we're talking about the Canon R7 Mark II. The camera that has everyone waiting to see if it can really raise the bar. And trust me, you'll want to stick around. Because the upgrades this time might change the way you look at mirrorless cameras. The Canon R7 Mark II is set to release in 2025, and it comes as the successor to the popular R7. Canon has worked to fix limitations, push performance higher, and make it a more complete hybrid camera for both photographers and videographers. If you thought the R7 was impressive, the Mark II takes it up a notch. Right away, the design feels refined. The body is slightly stronger, with improved ergonomics, giving you better grip and balance, especially when using longer lenses. The button layout has also been tweaked to feel more natural, so you can shoot faster without fumbling. It's built with durability in mind, with stronger weather sealing, which makes it a more confident tool in tough conditions. The display is another highlight. Canon has added a brighter, higher resolution LCD with smoother touch response. The fully articulating screen is perfect for vloggers, content creators, or anyone who needs flexibility in framing. The electronic viewfinder is also upgraded with sharper resolution and a faster refresh rate, making tracking subjects smoother and more accurate. When it comes to performance, the R7 Mark II is a serious upgrade. The new sensor is built for speed and detail, offering improved dynamic range and low-light performance. Pair that with Canon's next-gen processor, and you get faster image processing, reduced rolling shutter, and quicker burst shooting speeds. Autofocus has been stepped up as well, with better subject tracking, improved eye detection, and smarter recognition for animals, vehicles, and people. For video creators, this is where things really get interesting. The R7 Mark II now supports 6K video recording, along with improved 4K options with higher frame rates and less cropped. Canon has worked on reducing overheating, giving you longer recording times. Color science remains one of the strongest points, delivering beautiful tones straight out of the camera. You also get more professional tools like expanded log profiles and better stabilization, making handheld shooting smoother than ever. Battery life has been optimized with better efficiency from the processor and slightly higher capacity. You can expect longer shooting sessions without constantly swapping batteries. Charging through USB-C is faster, and the camera also supports in-use charging, which is a huge bonus for long shoots or streaming setups. For creators, whether in photography or video, the upgrades make a noticeable difference. Photographers get sharper images, better autofocus, reliability, and more confidence in tough shooting conditions. Videographers get higher resolution options, smoother workflow, and longer recording sessions without heat worries. The balance between stills and video feels more complete this time around. Audio also gets a little upgrade. Canon has worked on cleaner preamps for external mics, so your sound quality is more professional. Of course, it still supports external microphones and headphone monitoring, so you can dial in your audio properly. Connectivity is strong. You get faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for seamless transfers, direct uploads, and remote control through your phone. For professionals, there are improved wired options for faster data transfer and better compatibility with accessories. The price is expected to be higher than the original R7, but that's because of the added features and performance improvements. It still aims to stay within a reachable bracket for enthusiasts and semi-pros, making it one of the best value hybrid cameras in its category. So what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, you get better build quality, an improved display, an EVF, a new sensor, stronger autofocus, 6K video, reduced overheating, and longer battery life. On the downside, the price increase might put off some buyers, and the body is slightly heavier than before due to added durability. The final verdict is simple. The Canon R7 Mark II looks like a true step forward. It takes the strengths of the R7 and fixes many of the weak spots. If you're into wildlife, sports, content creation, or just want a powerful all-around camera without going full frame, this might be one of the best choices coming in 2025. And here's the real hook. Canon seems to be building this as the crop sensor camera that finally feels professional. It's not just a small upgrade, it's a big leap. And that could make it one of the most talked about cameras of the year. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. Don't forget to subscribe if you love real reviews made simple. See you in the next one.